Ever spent hours hunting for the right dataset, only to find outdated docs and broken links? If you're a data engineer drowning in unstructured files, or a backend dev wrestling with API metadata, this is for you. Our AI extracts metadata from PostgreSQL schemas, REST APIs, and Parquet files. Auto-generates documentation with lineage tracking across Spark pipelines, enables custom tagging via regex patterns, and builds a solar-powered search index with RBAC. DevOps engineers get automated catalog syncs via CI/CD hooks, while analytics teams gain instant trust in data sources. No more praying to the data gods, just click, connect, and conquer. Here's what's inside the Building Data Catalog skill. Auto-extract metadata from databases like MySQL and MongoDB using JDBC connectors. Generate Markdown documentation with DAG lineage from Airflow workflows. Apply customizable classification rules using JSON schemas. Build a real-time Elasticsearch index with field-level access controls. Get pre-built integrations for Snowflake and AWS Glue. It comes with expert instructions, code templates for Python SDKs, and real-world examples like healthcare data pipelines. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. No more data chaos, just clarity, control, and confidence. Installing the Building Data Catalog skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building data catalog. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance for Apache Atlas integration and code templates for Kafka stream processing. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically, no config needed. Your AI assistant now knows how to build metadata harvesters, document data lakes, and configure search indexes with ACLs. No PhD in data archaeology required. Just run, refine, and watch your data swamp turn into a searchable paradise.